Hey, are you running ads online right now or even planning on doing so? Well, I hope I got your attention. I'm about to show you a strategy that we were awarded 12 American Marketing Association awards for in 2020. Now, by the way, this method of running traffic online has been used by e-commerce businesses, authors, speakers, digital agency owners, brick and mortar business owners, affiliate marketers, realtors, investors, digital product creators. Oh my goodness, so many people, especially people who manage in-house accounts, or like I said, are agency owners, freelancers. They've been able to duplicate this process with amazing results. Now, just pay attention to this really important video for the next few minutes. Trust me, this information won't cost you anything, and you're going to absolutely be floored with what I'm about to show you at the end of this video. We know running online ads can feel a little bit like this. Trying to do it all alone downright sucks. Many times it feels like we're just burning money. And trying to keep up with all the changes, like the Apple iOS change, the Pixel changes, conversion changes, there's so much to keep up with. Doesn't have to feel this way at all. We've created processes that are fun, easy, proven, and duplicatable. See, we've had an online marketing agency that we established in Austin, Texas back in 2010. We started running our first Facebook ad campaigns in December 2010. Well, this is what led me to the mastermind in February 2019 when I was invited to Baltimore. And essentially I was invited by Todd Brown, who's an online expert who's been doing this for decades, and essentially invited 40 media buyers to show up, to sit around a table, start trading ideas, and Todd wanted to give away a belt for, well, voted on by all of the peers surrounding the table on some of the brightest ideas that people could implement right now today, effective new cutting edge strategies. Well, what ended up happening at the end of that mastermind event
regarding the belt, you earned it. I mean, look, this was everybody's likely heard the story, but this was a room of 40 plus top media buyers, media buying experts. And the deal was that the room was going to vote. And so it wasn't, I didn't, choose you as a friend. I mean, I was cheering you on and I was like, man, it would be amazing for Kurt, to see you win. They voted, dude. And so a room of your peers of some of the best in the world said, man, the last 2 days, the guy who shared the most amount of ahas and value was you, dude. And so it was well-deserved, well-earned, and I love it, man.
And that belt has turned into something that has won us over 20 awards just in 2020 alone. Now, I'm about to show you the exact same training that we use to train all of our in-house media buyers. And this is a training that we've used online, that we've educated people live all over the world, and really giving them a lot of one-on-one and group support. We have a brand new release I cannot wait to talk to you about. Essentially, it's our self-paced learning. See, self-paced learning is defined as a specific learning method in which the learner, you, is able to control the amount of material they consume as well as the duration of time that they need to learn the new information properly. We've made this really easy. For example, we have 25 easy to consume videos. I mean, these are deep dive into the belt method and discover the new customer journey and learning how to align your messaging and objectives for your audience at the right time can reduce your acquisition costs by up to 80%. We also have the videos that start literally from the ground up. So it doesn't even matter if you don't have any experience at all, or if you're an intermediate or what we like to call genius level. We'll take you all the way to the beginning to make sure that your Facebook business page is set up right, to make sure that your business manager is set up right, your ad account, the additional business page resources if you need additional help setting up. We're also going to give you some additional tools and disclaimers to make sure, well, really what everyone should know before they get started with ads. Now, the big thing with the strategy is we really want to jump in and show you, well, the why, exactly how we set it up, the golden ad strategy, the entire journey, the direct recommendations from, well, our rep. Now, the way we're going to break this down is inside this course, you're going to get access to videos 24/7. Now, anything that we talk about in these videos, you're going to be able to download the presentation and resource guides. There's also additional links and resources to help you implement even quicker. By the way, If you want to take your team through this training, there's actually going to be a button to show you to mark what's complete so you know exactly where you are in the training or where your team is left off. We're going to go through tracking and targeting, Facebook recorded videos and Facebook Lives. This is one of the best strategies that you can be using right now to contact not only a cold audience, but to really build that relationship with a warm audience. I mean, I'm going to show you the exact strategy that we used with Facebook Live with one of our clients to help them become a New York Times best-selling author. Now, we're going to go through the golden ad strategy, which is the most crucial step to understanding the effectiveness of your ad campaigns across your funnel. Then we're also going to go over the invisible list. This is my middle of funnel hot 28, the hottest people who are going to be interested in your products, services, and content. Now, a lot of this stuff can be kicked off for just even $1 a day. I'm going to show you how to put this all together, and I'm going to give you some over-the-shoulder examples to show you exactly how this works. What I mean by that, we've put together a workbook that literally takes you step by step through every single video. It tells you exactly what to do through the video. After the video, it's going to tell you step by step exactly how to set up your ads. Now, from there, you're going to want to see the golden ad report. Well, the golden ad report is going to show you where all the money actually is. Too many people are focused on the wrong numbers and ads become expensive and ad accounts become disabled. Well, what happens if you're ready to scale? What happens if you have disapproved ads? What happens, unfortunately, if your ad account gets shut down? Well, we have a bunch of resources we've put together inside of this workbook and exact scripts on what to say, when, how to get those accounts to be recoverable. The other thing is people have asked us for, well, a checklist. You're going to have videos that you're going to watch. Once you watch the video, inside the checklist, it's going to tell you exactly what you need to do next. Once you've watched all the videos, the workbook and the checklist is going to take you step by step through setting up all of the ads. Once you've set up the ads, we're then going to show you how to read the ads in the golden ad report. And then last, step by step, click by click with examples, we're going to show you how to make decisions when looking over your numbers as you start running your ads. It's been a highly effective process for so many people out there. We can't wait to show you our learn at your own pace option. We want to make this easy, relaxing, and to show you exactly what to do when. What we have is the Belt Fast Track, and it's open for our February 2021 enrollment, meaning we have two different options for people. Either people can join us at the self-paced option, or starting February 1st, we're going to have a fast track sprint. What that means is for 30 days, we'll be inside of a Facebook group with weekly live calls to make sure that you are implementing step by step with our guidance. Again, literally button click by button click. You're going to be able to do this no matter where you're at, as long as you have an internet connection on your laptop or on your phone. We make the self-paced study option really easy for you. Again, we have the comprehensive guide step by step that's going to show you how this entire thing is going to work. And remember, one of the most important things, if something happens along the way, a huge resource guide on exactly what to do next. Here's the next steps. We've set up a page where there's a video that explains this entire thing for you. All you have to do is go ahead and click on the link down below, and you're going to go ahead directly to watch this full-length video that's going to explain everything to you. Now remember, this is a limited time offer because classes start February 1st. We're going to offer a 70% discount, but again, it ends February 1st. You can go ahead and either choose the self-paced option or the add-on for the additional live support. Again, all you have to do is go ahead and go to this page right here, click on down below. You'll go to this page to start watching the video. Just remember this. This does not have to be frustrating. And please, 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 if you're experiencing down sales and frustration around the ads, we want to really help with that. Don't miss the train on this one, because really time's limited. I mean, look at the date right now. Time is limited and time is running out. Let's make ads fun and easy starting today. Again, thousands of people have gone through this process. Now we're just looking for you to join us as well before February 1st. Watch the rest of the video now with all the details. You can see all of the details here. Again, check out all the details for our limited time only.